is where the training is. That's our dojo. So instructions on how to set up the sim trader. NinjaTrader's got a nice feature to be able to do like end of day playback and stuff like that. We can show you how to set up sim accounts so that you can, practice. Even if you fund a live account, you can still set up as many sims as you want. Novo, this is an introduction to futures type stuff. I would consider this kind of, 101 type things. Knowledge of Power is a collection of miscellaneous things around trade psychology and stuff like that. And then White Belt is where we start to get into, patterns, primers, how to use our indicators and stuff like that.
That's
And
very
we're still
important for
filling
you.
out the rest.
Yeah, that's very
Yep.
important for you to watch all those videos so you can catch up
Yeah,
with us.
definitely. Yeah, definitely watch all of those. And then we've got more videos in the bonus materials section. So check those out as well.
And fuel us with a bunch of questions.
Yep. Yeah, we get a good amount of
I'll be
satisfaction
right
off
back,
of
guys.
watching people get profitable with us.
Sorry, guys. So all good in there. And are you guys talking?
Oh, we're
You're
good.
done. Okay. The the reason to get the combine is the combine is gonna cost you around 100 to $150 for 30 days. You're probably not gonna pass in the first one, even if it takes, 5 months. You're gonna spend $500 to $600. Is a lot better. You spend $500 uh, than spend $1,000 a day. Trying trying to learn. So that's why we recommended the combine so you can save money, in our opinion here.
Yep, I couldn't agree more.
And, and when you have any question or anything, just put in the feature trading chat, uh, because maybe your question can be uh, can
Possibly
help.
answered by one of the
Yeah,
other.
answer the other. And it's pretty cool. He just came from Brazil. He went there visited his friends. He said,
Oh, really?
and he did jujitsu there, and that's where caught his attention with the jiu-jitsu thing that we do base here, and he saw us from Facebook, Brett. So Brett's the one that taking care of Facebook.
Nice, 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 nice.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Hmm.
See, I don't like triangles that is like you need to stretch like this. I don't like triangles like that.
Yeah, that triangle broke out, actually,
Yeah,
in my opinion.
yeah, I don't like that song that I like that. That's I don't like that. No.
You don't like those the same way that I don't like those freaking cipher patterns.
Yeah, yeah.
You take the rules of harmonic trading, and that's a harmonic pattern, but it violates the rules of every other harmonic pattern. And so it's like the redheaded stepchild.
For you, right?
Yeah, yeah, it is. It works. I just don't like it.
Yeah.
Breaks my keep it simple rule.
It's 127. Well, we have what? 15 minutes left. Let's go back to daily here. Let's go over again what's going on before the market opens. Ah, come on. Don't start doing this shit with me. All right, guys. We're talking about he's starting to hook. You see it? What I look for this yellow to starting to move up, and the bars is starting to lose power to the downside. However, it's daily. Is no big deal for daily to get us a bar that comes all the way down here, and we keep on going down. So this hook can take 3-4 days to form to the upside. So it's just right now, it's just like, oh, okay, starting looking like a hook. That's all. Um, yeah, we play out the shoulder, so we have no more. We still have this B point, this big B point all the way down here, 15,000. That's what concerns me a bunch. That we did not touch this B point, and we still have in here. That concerns me. But if we go there, we catch the ride. I'm not worried about it. 120, and that's what I do every morning too. I go through every single one. Uh, early this morning was up. Now it's
And it's
starting
valuable
to.
to do it a couple of times a day.
Yeah, yeah.
If you find yourself, hey, I keep getting on the wrong side of trades, it's very valuable to step back and just reassess top down. What's the daily telling me? What's the 2 hour? What's the hour? The 30, the 15, the 10, the 3, the 1?
Cause
Basically reorient yourself with where you are in the forest of trading.
um, let's put in this here. This trend is not that important, but it's
Like what's
something.
interesting is the 2 hour chart looks a lot like a inverted head and shoulders.
Yeah, that's what we were playing yesterday, right?
Yep.
That's what I
Yeah,
told you
and
guys
and we
here,
still
and we still
and we
play.
still have that, right? We still have that move
Yeah,
that would break the neckline and take us up to probably the R2 for the day
yeah,
if we can get out of that thing.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, did somebody say
I just hear
something?
I think I just heard Mallow's morning growl.
Sorry about that, guys. No,
Uh,
I was gonna ask you guys a question.
Oh, what did you say?
I wanted to ask you guys a question.
I can see
Go
that.
ahead. You're a little muffled, but
Yeah, you
go
have a
ahead.
question. Go ahead, go for it. Get out of bed.
Guys,
There you go.
as of now, bullish or bearish?
That's what we are looking into right now. 120 is still, I'm sorry, daily is bearish, but starting to hook. 120 is this second's bullish, but I think it's gonna turn to bearish here pretty soon. So let's keep going down and see what we show was. The 60 minutes starting to curve to the downside. So this could be just a wave, right? We'll be waving here. The market sometimes do. So the pattern that we have is back to at least to R1. That would be the neck, which would be this white trend line here. Uh, so, right, okay, good.
Hey, Mallow, check your DMs from me.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh, you're in trouble. You are in trouble.
We're
The
just migrating over to the new subscription management platform, and I sent you the instructions. It's your turn to migrate.
So 60 minutes is going
Got
down.
it.
Is going down. For now, it's hooking, and I put it kind of like a sideways up on my note this morning. So now I'm gonna put a little bit more down. So I put a little arrow.
Where's your trend line right there? That white one right there?
I just put in this is the neckline. I just put in this white. Here's a 5 minutes trend line. Just that's what we wanted to come back to it. That's like take profit or the plays over. That's the right shoulder to come back here. So I'll just put a
Let's
straight line right here.
let's say if it's a bearish day. Oh, I'm looking at 16,100.
Yeah, that's not be a um, bad way because we are thinking in around the 16 6, so up or 100, so it would be the 300 up or down. Yeah, that will not be unheard, no. And after yesterday, I'm never gonna say no to you. Uh,
Just one thing to note, the daily pivot point is right around 226. We get down there, there's actually a decent amount of consolidation that's happened to the left. So
yeah,
I would be very surprised to see it spike through it and keep going. We'll probably have a little bounce and consolidation there. Um, if we're looking at down, we'll probably get there, bounce around, consolidate, and
yeah.
then we'll either bounce up or further down from there.
And this is the day we have a daily trend right here too. So, and this trend here can go. Does not need that anymore. So 30 minutes is bearish. 15 minutes bearish as well. And the 50 minutes we can see the AM that I've been talking about, but I don't know if it's gonna play out because a lot of AMs are not playing out lately. They play as a triangle, and like a simple triangle like this that would not be, you don't think is much, but happens. So instead come down to the AM, play the triangle. So just something to keep in mind. 15, let's go to 5. Yeah, here you can see the M, but it's looking a lot more like a triangle at this area. Come,
Yesterday's bounce was on a daily trend line. I didn't have that trend line.
which one? You said yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, if I anchor it to October 13th at like 4 o'clock in the morning, and then to the low that we made on, what is that, November 26th? That spike down that we had yesterday, that was the that was the stopping point for it. I didn't have that on my chart. This line
How
right here.
far are you? Are you in an hour, 2 hours?
2 hours, 2 hour chart.
October what, 4th?
October 13.
13th here.
Yeah, at around 4:15 Eastern.
Talking about this two here. That's what you have.
Yep, yep. Yeah, whenever I anchored it to that first drop down there, it provided support yesterday.
I can definitely add it to it. I like it. I like it. I don't have much around here, so that's good. Back 30 seconds, so we have just 5 minutes to it. So, and what I do, guys, and Doyle does that too with different numbers, but oh goodness, sorry. The screen that you guys see is the 30 seconds. I have 3 minutes and I have the 10 minutes. Uh, on the other screens, and I like to do the 3 minutes following the 10 minutes. When I see, for example, if we are bearish, I look the 3 minutes bearish, 10 minutes bearish. I'll go short on the 30 seconds. One turns to bearish, so I can get in and put a sip on it. If we are bullish on the 3 minutes and bullish on the 10 minutes, I'll go up on the 30 seconds. I try to play the patterns on the 3 minutes, 10 minutes and up. I do not want to play the 30 seconds anymore. I have changed this not so long ago. Before I did, Doyle and Brett and Robbie, they do the 30 seconds. Absolute nothing wrong with it. I just don't. Actually, Brett only plays the 30 seconds if you see on the 3 minutes, I believe. That's how you did,
Yep.
right?
Yes, sir.
And but I just oh, I don't wanna be scalping, and my game is now is to get it and hold it for big numbers. Some days I get excited and I trade a lot, but I'm trying to keep, you know, but I'm following this rule, try to follow this rule. The 3 minutes is down, 10 minutes, for example, if 3 minutes is down, 10 minutes is up, I don't touch anything. I'll wait to define, I'll wait to have all in same synchronism. I don't know if this is a word or not, but if they all synchronize, saying that okay, we are going to this direction, yes, that's where I'm going. 2 minutes. And for the new guys here, do not do the open. Do not work the open unless you're in a sim. You're gonna see us doing it, but do not do it on your personal account. Do it on your sim. And remember, 9:45, we have a big red report. So red impact, important impact, and another one at 10. But 9:45 is high impact. 10 o'clock is medium impact.
All right, now I'm wide awake.
We are making an H here.
All
What are you
right,
thinking? Huh?
time for me to reset my scaling for the opening scalps. Me or Mallow?
You?
Um, I'm leaning towards some short scalps in the open here.
I agree. Mallow, you don't need to ask him. You know what his answer would be.
He is definitely he
Short.
is definitely a a bull. He is definitely the team bear mascot.
Yeah, yeah.
I
We are
Yep.
open.
And ding 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 ding. That's what I'm looking for, I think.
Taking profit.
Took one off, took the second one off, and I'm sip.
161.
Let's go. Easy money.
Did you see that? I short it.
I couldn't.
161.
310
Nom
coming up.
nom 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 nom.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Oh man, it's freaking easy money.
So this is getting us roughly at the B point on a possibly larger move here.
ABCD down, bounced off the 188. Took
Yeah.
two off on that.
Nice grab on that bounce, man.
Yeah. Might be a retest here. Or it wants this pink line,
Oh.
which should be the 227. Momentum starting to not be diverse anymore, though. It's going down.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this trade. I took that long, but I got out. Good. Yeah, glad I did. Wait for the 227 here. I do not have no divergency on the 3 or the 10. And it's making the M, guys, that I was talking about. We're
Going on?
close to
Bounced
100%.
bounced off of my trend line perfectly.
Oh yeah, the brats too. Look at that. Nice, man. I did not see that.
And away.
I don't have I'm afraid to go long right now, tell you the truth.
It, yeah. If you didn't already catch it, I would jump back in. I would not have jumped
Yeah. I was worried about because I have no divergency.
in. Yeah, none.
Neither
I mean,
the
the
I took
30
36.
profit.
seconds just starting to hook, right?
Not
I took profit.
even.
20 seconds got a small hook to it, but
Oh
I don't think
yeah.
it's done.
No.
First target and sip, so officially a risk-free trade, and it's about to take me out. I'm not gonna let it take me out.
Yeah, there's no divergence. I'm not touching it.
Yeah.
Get ready for another fall.
Do you think,
Trend
Malik?
line, yeah.
Yeah, it's on this support right here. If it breaks, it's going to start
Yep.
entering that low volume gap from overnight.
Zach, for sure, do not touch this market until about 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. There's the trend break.
Pop out to your 15-minute. We're at the 127 of XABCD.
261.
Six.
I've hit my profit target for the day, so now I'm gonna de-risk and trade smaller.
Another trend line at 262 or 261,
That was
262.
almost that was the 127 on the big bullish
15-minute.
harmonic.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The 38% retracement from the low to high overnight was exactly where the 127 was.
Nice. That's a good trend line I don't have, or a good set of fibs I don't have.
That was
It
actually
might
the
be.
viewpoint of this ABCD right here.
Yeah, I'm putting SIP and everything that I'm thinking. I'm not believing it because I have no divergence yet on anything.
No, no, I wouldn't trust it. I wouldn't
Nice.
trust it.
Yeah.
That's a nice set of fibs.
Yeah, those are pretty good.
Oh, Robbie, I don't have you clicked then. Hold on.
So that white line that I've got on my chart is also a location of horizontal support that you can see on the 30-minute chart. And so that lined up with horizontal support, the 127, the 38. That would have been a solid place to play a bounce if I would have been paying better attention.
Yeah, I'm going
Watch for it
to.
to come back down and have divergence this time.
Yeah, I would like to bounce back like a spring bottom or
Yeah.
something.
I would really like it to come all like make an ABCD down to like a 188, which would be the B point
Ooh.
here.
Yeah, between the 161 and the 188 it's the daily pivot. So
Yeah, that's what I would like.
some there's some goodness there. The 161 is also lining up with the 50% retracement too. So that's probably where it's headed if it
I,
keeps being bearish.
Doyle, I most cannot hear you, man.
Oh, really?
Is
Hold
it
on.
me or I don't know if it's just me, but
I think I have Doyle's volume slightly raised. Yeah, because I hear him well, but I have him at 120%.
Oh, yeah. And everything's turned up. Let me
Would this be considered an inverse head and shoulder? Oh, back.
hard to tell. I guess the 30-second. What I don't like about it is it didn't give me the divergence on that lowest low that it made. So I'm honestly expecting another pullback. That said, that spike down that we had was a plunge through a volume gap. So we're approaching that gap again, and I expect that to give us resistance.
Surpassed my daily goal today.
Hey, did you hear me earlier to check your DMs? I sent you the instructions for swapping over to
All right,
the
let
new
me
thing.
take care of this one real quick, and then I'll get
Yep.
on it.
Oh yeah. No rush. I just want to make sure you saw it there.
I'll get it done today.
You still in the short from up there?
No, no, I'm just watching right now.
Oh, okay.
Even though I want to enter again.
So this will give us divergence on the 30-second and the 1 minute. This pullback will, but not divergence on the 3 minute yet. And the longer time frames suggest it might want to go down further. So shoot for a small target there and see how well it does.
I guess my battery is gonna die here soon.
Your headphone
Making
battery?
some weird noise.
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Real time, we look through the high time frames, and we knew that was going to come down. That's why we knew to go short.
More often than not, the open agrees with higher time frame analysis. Every once in a while, it's going to throw you a wild card and just head off the other direction, but typically it continues. And I'm liking this less and less. Get on down there. I might sip this early.
Add momentum, and
Yeah, and
also
momentum's
adding
fading
because we're doing an AM on the 10 and
on the 30
15
second.
minutes. So
Oh,
that's why we thought would be going their way. Uh, 3 more minutes for that report, guys.
oh shoot. Market report.
So don't be in any trades then.
It's a high impact report.
Look the down. It's crazy. Absolute crazy.
One minute till the report. Is that right?
Yeah, I believe so.
One minute.
And there's the volatility.
Anybody has any information on the report? Apple reached all-time high.
People are betting that Apple's inflation proof as an investment. All right, market report was a little bit worse than expected. So how about that? Hmm.
Yeah, possible D-lag here. What do you guys think?
What time frame?
Going up?
Oh, yeah, could be.
Everybody's so quiet.
Focusing.
How's everybody doing?
Good.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
Can you hear us?
I guess not.
Ah, you guys are talking? That's weird.
We can't. We can hear you, Lou.
Can anybody say anything?
We're
Can
talking.
you hear us? Can you hear the words coming out of my
I
mouth?
cannot hear you guys. I'm gonna need to charge my thing. Hold on.
A little less volatile than yesterday.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Just a tad.
Morning, guys. Moves are it's less volatile, but
That's what I was just saying.
I said it's a little less volatile, but it's a little easier reading these candles than it was yesterday.
Yeah, definitely less volatile for sure. Trying to make lose D leg little gap here to this B point at 336.
Dang, I took profit on. I had 15 points, but I think I'm going to call it a day. Actually,
It's this group really cracks me up. So many other places I've been, people are choking to get 3 to 5 points a day, and we're like, I only got 15 points.
I mean, yeah, I got 50 points on that trade, but I took it. I'm gonna, I'm gonna, I'll post this in PNL, and there's, I'm not up a bunch, but I didn't take my first trade till 9:40 a.m.
Yeah,
9:40 6 seconds.
dude, there are a lot of big orders stacked up above this. You see all that? You see all that nastiness on my left chart?
Oh, yeah.
Look at all
Interesting.
that. Somebody's trying to be all freaking Lord of the Rings. You shall not pass. A bunch of 50 lot orders just stacked up there.
Oh, my Ninja Trader's freaking out right now.
Oh
Ton
yeah,
of
all the
volatility up
liquidity just
there.
went to crap. Yeah. Was there another report at top of the hour? I think there was.
I think so. Actually, yeah, I think there was a high impact one.
Yes, there was. ISM manufacturing.
Yep.
No,
So that's what that was.
oh, nice. It's funny that you say that though. Like I'm not mad or disappointed. I took a lot of little scalps this morning.
Yeah.
Uh, thought it was gonna go long, and but I got in that last contract at 298.75 is where I got filled, and it's like, yeah, I'm bummed. I only got 15 points,
Can
and I'm watching.
can
I
anybody say
could have just
anything?
never came back.
Yeah, we're talking right now.
Yeah, I'm.
Can't
Your
hear us
D
though.
leg's playing out nicely, Lou.
Is anybody saying anything? Daggone it.
Can you hear us?
Boo can't hear us today, or what?
Oh, now I
No,
can.
it just
Now I
started.
can. Now I
Okay.
can. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Jesus.
Nice call on the D leg, Lou.
Yes,
Yeah, we
sir.
played it.
I hope
And
I was here saying like, please hear me.
No, I didn't. Otherwise,
Yeah, we could.
I could have still been in this.
Yeah, I took three more in the bottom here. Actually, two more in the bottom. I just took two off here. Let me toggle. Oh, look at that.
Nom 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 nom.
Yeah,
I mean, these 50-point sell orders just aren't doing anything to this.
no, no.
It just chewed through. Let's see, what is that? It chewed through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It chewed through 19 50-point orders,
That's crazy.
Holy
I'm.
geez,
shit.
right?
It's funny, Doyle. Just like fathom getting 50-point moves, and I'm sitting here like, okay, don't be greedy, don't be greedy. 1500 on the day after a day like yesterday, like that's a great day. Like I can
Yeah.
go.
Yep.
Definitely, definitely.
Uh,
Hey, Rowantel, how are you doing?
It's so funny. Scream at him.
Chirp, chirp,
Answer your
chirp,
father,
chirp.
god damn it.
Uh,
just be like, row and tell, I am your father.
Hey, yeah, run tell I'm your father. Answer me.
uh,
Short scalp off the 188. Took two off. One left. In sip, as it is a scalp.
Yeah, 3 minutes is straight up. 10 minutes is turning to the
Mm.
upside. Uh, I am going to leave this one all the way down here. I am not going to take profit.
yeah, yep.
Yeah.
Definitely, when you're working on those combines, pay attention to your trailing stop, and
Yeah.
when you get some of it eat away,
Beautiful.
trade close and earn it back.
Yeah,
So,
take it,
good
take it,
thinking.
take it, take it, take it.
Brett,
Yeah.
where was the 188?
What's up?
I was asking Brett where his fib was from 188. I didn't
Right
see
here,
that one.
B2C.
Oh, the D point that you guys are playing up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Took
It's
a short
if
on
you look at my
188.
1 minute chart, it's this guy right here. I'll draw the fibs on here.
yeah,
I
B2C.
shorted back to this trend line. Just took profit on it.
I'm trying to look at too many charts. I can only look on my cell phone to watch the stream.
Yeah,
So
I just drew them on mine for you.
oh,
Is
It's on my left
B2C.
one.
at 330.
Yeah.
He put it
X,
from the
A,
330 to
B.
290 B2C.
I see that. I didn't draw that one for whatever
Yeah.
reason.
It's,
Yep, we are testing support now. This break
I'm going to
support
say,
on the D. Yeah.
dude, it's headed there, Brett.
Now it's not.
I've gotten.
Now
Here's
it's
the
not.
shame of it, right? The lowest risk trades are wait for the D leg to form and trade it back to B. It's very, very well defined. I've developed a bad habit of getting good at trading the D leg and being so excited about that trade that I don't trade the freaking the trade
The correct
back
one.
to B. Yeah.
And you're so good at flip flopping, you should be able to be like, okay, I'm running it all the way up here, and I'll flip over here and go back down.
Well, for a while I was doing that. I would run it up to either the 127 or
A
the 150 to take profit.
right shoulder in 3 minutes, guys.
Uh,
If you
uh,
took it,
oh
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see that.
oh inverted,
yeah,
and
three
that's like
minutes.
one of those. That's one of those like long neck people.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You know?
I didn't say it was perfect.
Well, there's nothing wrong with long neck people.
It's not oh shit. Brett,
Yeah,
guess it's
that.
Brett. Yeah, that. Look at that work though.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna try to hold this all cap freaking day long.
There is a
No,
downtrend,
no,
the
no,
downtrend that we want, and it's up here at 395.
no, 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 no. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. I see that. I'm happy if we
Yep.
get there. I'll move my stop to where this is right now, where it is right now, and I'll be happy with this trade. I want to be able
I
to
need to
move
stop looking at my P&L.
if I can put in my sip right where we are right now. I'll be happy with this trade. If you come and sip me all the way here, I'll be bad. I'll be mad. Because I'm hoping that taking us all the way to the 600 area. But I took profit already, guys, okay? I just have 1/3 of my position right now. That's funny, Doyle. A long time I don't post a good trade on the good trade thing. Oh, we need to come up with something for the good trade, though.
A little emoji for it. Yeah.
I should have. Did I? You know what? I don't think we posted them in good trades, but I had that 112 pointer yesterday that I got in late on.
Yeah, I don't know what
Yeah.
Roga posted there. I couldn't understand that what he posted.
That was the short that I was still in. Oh, you can't really tell. My
No,
entry was 426. I had moved my SIP down to 16,370, but I took that off at 16,153. I think it
cool.
was no 16,050. Yeah, 153. Yeah, it
Yeah,
was almost a 300 point.
one is like this. Do it like a draw, draw on your picture. So here, take here, you know what I mean, a trend line or a circle or something.
I sucks and you can't really draw a chart in Tradeovate, so I use
No,
everything
no,
on
no,
Trading View.
no. Do Control, no, Shift Window S, and it's gonna pop side the screen. You click on that, and from there you can draw whatever you want on it. I would like is that what I like in here, for example. Look, I'm gonna do Shift Window S. You see how it got dark? So I'm gonna
Yep,
click from here to here, for
that's just
example,
yep.
and then pop a screen
Yeah,
on
he's
my
basically just
side.
taking a screenshot,
Yeah, a
and
screenshot,
then he's
and
gonna.
then I can.
Okay.
Then you can edit that up.
I see it. Okay.
You see it?
Dude, you're cracking me up.
Yep.
Uh,
See, I learned something new today. Lou, you actually taught somebody else.
can
I
you
know a
imagine this shit? If you say that to my kids, like, yeah, daddy, why, whatever.
you just taught me something. That's great.
Yeah. Oh man, I wanna.
Gosh, my PNL is ranging by freaking 300 points across my accounts. $300 across my accounts.
Wow.
Isn't that fun, Doyle?
Well,
Oh, like a $300 difference across all the accounts.
yes,
Oh,
yes.
oh,
It's
that's not.
got me. It's got me twitching, wanting to turn one off and get the other spot up.
Oh, that's funny. That is funny.
They're ranging from 800 to 1186.
Rowan, tell, are you like that too? Tell more shit
Oh, he's
about your
just got
dad.
one, and he's just got one, and he is
No, no, I'm talking about
working
in
to.
general. I'm talking about in general.
Oh,
Man, I have an ice storm today here in my house, and I can hear the ice hitting the ceiling.
get that. Oh, really? I kind of miss having 4 seasons. In Texas, we have 3 seasons, and then we have 2 weeks of just whatever the hell's going to happen.
Whatever the hell's gonna happen now here, you
Yeah,
can
typically,
count on it.
typically in March. It gets a little chilly in January, but
Anybody
in
else
March, something weird's going to happen.
to the 100? Anybody?
You
Anybody?
what?
Anybody else try to short the 127 to the 100?
Well,
127. From which 127? The
30-second.
oh, you
The
guys.
morning. I
What?
I did. I posted it in futures.
Oh.
It also come off of 141 on the 32nd. It was like exact.
And the 241 at the from the B2C.
What did that 127 come from?
I just freaking deleted it. From the opening from 9:30 candle on the 1 minute to the low of the day so far.
Ah, okay. This. Oh, be careful, cause Doyle's gonna get mad at you. That's not a perfect ABCD, man. Be careful. He's gonna scream at you. He screamed at me yesterday.
oh, I found the name for your pattern.
I'm already sipped. I'm good. I took one off
No,
and I'm
What
Lou,
is
if
it?
you take a look at my harmonic cheat sheet,
Uh-huh.
It is. It's the shark.
Shark. No, shark is not a.
Yeah. What you're so
That's a
if
X
you
A B C
ignore,
D.
yeah, but if you ignore the X leg and you just look at the ABCD on the shark, that's what
Mm-hmm.
you're drawing. That's why the fibs still work for you.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Interesting.
like put your thumb up over that X to A and take a look at it,
And
and that is exactly what you call an ABCD, and that's why it works for you. Its reversal opportunity is from 161 to 224. I knew what you were doing looked familiar to me, but since you were calling it an ABCD pattern, my brain just wouldn't compute. And so I looked at the harmonic cheat sheet yesterday and was like, yeah, that's what it is.
That's
That's
royal
what it is.
shark right there, guys. That's what he's talking about. Click,
Keep
Yeah.
coming down.
click,
Well,
click,
yeah. Yeah,
it's not
this
going.
morning's shark was like a piranha.
click.
That sucker was eating some meat up. Yeah, this is funny. Those of you that can see my chart, check this out. I'm gonna zoom out on this 1 minute where you can see all the price level stuff happening from the depth of market. So all of these reds here were like freaking 50 lot orders where people were trying to short this, stop it from going up. And it went up, came down, started to make a new high, and as soon as it started to make a new high, all these big orders up here just got out of the way. They're like, yeah, we're not we're not going to try to stand between there anymore. Yeah, the shorts got scarred.
So, Lou Doyle, are you guys saying that trade I took really wasn't a?
Hold on, my battery's dying again. Cannot hear nobody again. Damn it.
Would you say that was not a
I can
valid
hear
trade?
you.
No, 127 back to the 100.
Yeah, for me it was. For
Oh,
Doyle wasn't.
I can't.
Okay,
Where'd you post it? Did you
here,
post
It's
it?
right here on my screen.
I'll repost.
Hold on.
I need to
Hold on.
change my thing again.
Oh, what you have right now for fibs? Lou? Oh, yeah. Are you posting it, Raga? Good trades.
Yeah.
Uh, oh yeah, that's got me twitching real bad, man. So here's the thing.
So
So
it worked.
here's
It played out, but
here's why it worked. Breakout traders are taught that the 127 is their profit target, and that's a breakout
You,
trade.
you want to see exactly why it worked?
am I looking at somebody's screen? I gotta just remember. I gotta toggle
Well,
on this
no,
thing.
yeah. If I look at yours, Raga, the reason it worked is because it's a breakout trade. And so it breakout failed back to the 100 and then went to the 127 because the 127 is a very common profit taking point for breakout
Hey,
traders.
you want to know why it actually worked? Look at my screen. It's an ABCD right here on the 32nd, and it hit the 140 on bearish divergence. That's why it worked.
So we see it work out quite often. I've been taking
Yeah,
that trade quite often if there's been a large breakout. Just this quick scalp. I
yeah.
see.
Those breakouts to 127, um, they happen frequently. You've got to be real good at like reading the candles for the breakout to see if it's going to be a fake out or not. Um, you just can't expect a runner out of it, right? You'll see me frequently, try to scalp a breakout, and I'm looking to get out at the 127, and then I'm waiting for the 161, 188 to see if I can reverse it down.
Yeah. Yeah. I actually got out of that long, right? I only had 15 points on that long, so I actually caught 20 points on that short, even though I got out of it right away too, right? So, I, just trying to set myself up so I don't make mistakes in the future.
Yep.
And Brett, what pattern were you calling that? You said that was an ABCD down. What we said?
ABCD up.
Yeah,
You
And
look at
the
my chart real quick. Let me know when you're looking at my chart.
yeah, I'm looking at it right now. That's what I'm trying to look at.
30-second.
Yep.
Just like that.
Yep. Yep.
Come off the 141. And it had the bearish divergence.
I saw that too. I mean, that's a
That.
big reason
Yep.
I took it. Yeah, because I wouldn't take that unless we have divergence on that.
Oh, so clicking indicators and hitting delete apparently gets rid of them. Motherfucker.
oh my gosh, right?
That's
Yeah.
tough.
And there's no undo button.
That's what's nice about TradingView.
You know, there's
What?
there are thousands of people that have asked for an undo button. In NinjaTrader forums, you can find thousands of people who have asked for that undo button.
Kidding me. And I didn't save the template for it. God damn it. Gonna have to close my NinjaTrader so it's gonna cut off my stream. Hold on.
You're going to close it and not save it so that you can.
Yes.
Uh,
Oh, it's that now. I had to take a screenshot of the lines I drew this morning, so I'm like, fuck.
Yes, keep coming down.
started to short that. I'd be looking at it as like a scalp pullback because I don't know if it's got the juice. Oh, yeah, that could have just been a pullback on a longer play. Now's a good time to do a quick top down.
Oh, that
Daily.
didn't work.
Daily is down, but the check engine light's on. 2 hour is hooked down. 60-minute is crossed over to the downside. So that's definitely bearish now. Volume would certainly freaking agree that sellers are in control. 30-minute is bearish and it's to bearish. 15-minute is bearish. Check engine light's on, but it is bearish. 9 or 10-minute is bearish with the check engine light on. Volume, though, has got more sellers than our prior low. So that might be still scalpable.
Ooh, let's go.
Good call, man. Good call. Real good call. That was a nice head and shoulders on 30-second. 1 minute it was visible too. 30-second had the divergence I like. Might be a trend break retest. Should have seen that before I got in.
Ugly Phil. Whatever. B point. Got it. Back out to my three. What do we have going on?
There we go. I like that.
All right, guys, I'm still listening. I just shut down the brokerage account so I don't overtrade today.
Actually, I have to hop off for a call. I'll be back on in 30 minutes or so.
That sounds good.
Enjoy that call as the new promotion you got and all that.
Oh, yeah. How about that? All right, later.
Be making a D-leg to a bearish harmonic.
Is that an M on the 1 minute?
Um, oh yeah, I see. This one from the low from the open, and this is the B point. This is what you're saying? Something like this.
Yeah, I would like to see that.
I mean, it could be really tiny, like cipher. Right, that's probably like 88% right there. Almost on the tip of a symmetrical triangle.
I want to see a falling knife already.
You got one yesterday. This might be an ABCD down move on like a 3 or 5 minute. This being the first leg. Now this would be
I
the
think I'm
third
gonna get
leg.
it.
Yeah, it's breaking the support.
Let's go. Keep going.
Nicely.
Yes, keep going.
Yeah, I'd get a volume on it too. Yeah, there it is. Oh yeah.
There we go.
You
We're
called
waiting
for
for
a volume.
this.
That's beautiful. That's awesome. That's the 161 ABCD move.
265, that's where I really wanted to go down. At least there.
Not far, 188. If it can get back down there, in this volume gap,
What was that?
we're in this volume gap from overnight. So if it could break the low, decent chance it gets back down to like 245, 250 ish. It's an untested B point here too at 264. Hopefully, he took some off at 161 or anywhere down there. Hitting a B point on a bullish harmonic now. Yep, just hit it. This M. Jeff, my volume profile is set for whatever the visible range is. So whatever is on my screen, that's going to give me the volume for it. So whatever's to the left of this is it's not factored in. So when I go to longer time frames, it gives you better gaps. I'm going to go to the 5 minute and just check out what happened last night for the low, yesterday's low overnight. You can see this big gap here. Kind of like right in here. Even say it goes down. Symmetrical triangle fake out to the downside, back inside. Looking at the downtrend for the day as well. Just throw your fibs on from the high to the low. Probably a really strong 5 minute candle. 1 minute left in it. And we're right back at the VWAP in the middle of this symmetrical triangle. Actually, we're trying to break this.
Could make an inverse head and shoulder here on the 30-second.
Yeah, your inverse is looking like a good flag on the 1 minute as well. And there it goes, breaking the triangle. Fake break down, now we're going up. Beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Jeff, I do have a Ninja Trader. That's my trading platform that I use. The only thing I have on it is MACD and volume. I don't use volume profile on it. So I chart with trading view, and then my Ninja Trader is just on the 30-second. And I'll throw some like 30-second trend lines. But that's my Ninja Trader is pretty plain. All my trading is on trading. Yep. Hopefully, some of you got in on that trend break I had, and then the inverse that Brett was calling. That formed a nice flag. If you are in, we have a downtrend coming up in about 10 points. 88 retracements coming up as well if you want to take off some there. Could be a D like on the 5 minute.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too. We said to break that resistance.
Yeah. Have to get in that little volume gap. 373 is going to be some resistance. That's held the last few times we've been up there. Yeah, 373, 375. If you're in drag room, stuck to the flag. So at the 88, close to the resistance, I would, if you haven't taken off any, I definitely would take off half at least. And if it wants to break this and get up to here, you keep a little bit left. Hey man, profit's profit. That's my sack. You got in on the inverse head and shoulders with the flag break of the triangle. Nice, that's awesome. And you got a good 35 points. Yeah, 5 and 3 are bullish then. Those two 5-minute candles are really nice. Yeah, I think ultimately there's a decent chance this forms a D leg on the 5-minute, but we need to get above this 375 level. Yep, nothing wrong for waiting for another entry. Oh, nice. That's funny. Yeah, there's a tiny, tiny intraday and overnight volume gap up here. And you can see, like, if you look at it horizontally, right, this was a B point 376. And then, like 3 or 4 times we rejected this 373, 374 level, and we tested the B point at the open around around 10 o'clock at 375 ish. We came down. So this 375 level, 373 is resistance until we break it. Need to break resistance, but that 373 level's holding for now. One minute till the top of the hour. Wonder if this is all a inverse head and shoulder on the 2 hour. It's not relatively pretty, but left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Not gonna break it. Um,
He does not want to break it.
no, I don't want to get above that right now. I'm about to get sipped down my last word. Maybe not. Yeah, sipped. Yeah, if you guys haven't read the chat, you can check out Lou's comments. These guys sip a little lower under this flag. And he's saying the same thing. We've got this little volume gap above, so it's having trouble breaking it. And that third wave he's talking about, I believe, is this. You could get a fourth and then like a fifth to break it.
Looks like I haven't missed too much.
Yeah, we grabbed that flag break when it came back into the symmetrical triangle after the fake out. That's basically really like the only move we've taken. Granted, it's up like 30 points. That 375 level, if you look at like the 3 and 5 minute, it's been resistance like 6 or 7 times. It made a
Yeah,
B point, yeah, like 730, and then it's hit that area like 6 times. It hasn't gotten through.
yeah. I was hoping, looking, whenever this candle was being built over here on the 9 minute with the histogram divergence being more bullish than it was over here. I was hoping we would at least get up to the downtrend.
Yeah, I was thinking there could be like a 5 minute D leg that gets us through the downtrend.
Yeah, yep.
Hey, I can hear you guys again.
Hey,
Holy shit. I took this D leg to this downtrend. My SIP is right under here, right under this flag. I did not get SIPed on this one. I'm hope that is just sideways here to be able to break to this gap that we have right here. Hello.
Yep.
Okay,
We can
yeah,
hear you.
okay.
yeah. Sorry, we should have responded.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah,
oh,
you've had issues this morning.
yeah, I didn't
Crap,
like,
here it goes again.
yeah, it's like, God dang.
DM Doyle not to say anything when Lou talks.
Yeah.
Oh
I'm
uh,
gosh.
like, man, Luke's back, but we can't hear him. Weird.
yeah. The downtrend here again is trying to break through it. Hopefully now has the energy to break through and break through the gap as well.
Yeah, 5 minute looks like just like a flag the last 15 minutes. Last
Yeah,
3 candles.
I put my stop and right under this. The flag was right here. Almost came and hit
Mm-hmm.
me here. Almost came and hit me here, and I'm still holding 2 accounts. So I took this. If you guys see the 3 minutes was like a real quick down. I took here and I had my take profit. So I took profit real quick, was bounced right back up, and I re-enter again, and I'm on 60 points up from my second entrance, but it's 100 and something points trade since I took 40 points right in 3 seconds. It was a nice bounce.
You took the 161 down there.
I don't know if it was 161. I took the
Oh,
uh
trend line.
I took the double bottom.
Okay,
You
nice.
know, yeah.
I know Mallow was short on the break. Assuming he got out of it.
Oh yeah, he would get out of it.
Yeah, that was a sweet fake symmetrical triangle break to the downside.
I'm just hope that we have enough to break through this downtrend. Uh, but right after we break this, we're gonna have the gap, and we have this 120 minutes downtrend as well, and it is breaking. I do have take profit 127, but I might not take profit there. I might just move my SIP to the 100 around this area, and we'll see. We'll see how we get there. Because I'm seeing we are breaking through the 127 continuing. So
What do you think of? I noticed in the 2 hour that an inverse head and shoulder, and this could be the right shoulder.
let me go there.
And that yesterday's low was the bottom of the right shoulder on the 2 hour.
Uh, you're talking about this being the left and this being the right. This mass here being the right.
So that mess over there is the whole thing. So the left side is the left, right there where your white trend line starts.
Uh huh.
That's the height of the left shoulder. So a little more left. One more left. Yeah, so that's where the left shoulder ends. And the bottom is, yeah, so the left shoulder starts a little more left. And that's the height of it. And then the bottom of the head. Yeah, so it's left shoulder. And then the next low is the head.
You're talking about inverse head and shoulder?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, inverse. Yeah, this one. This is what we played. This is what we played
Mm-hmm.
yesterday. We did
Boy,
this.
look at that sucker go.
Yeah. Shh.
Yeah.
Oh
And
shit! I
then
need to
then
move
we
my. God damn it! Hold on.
and then we have that
Ah,
neckline.
get it. Hold on. Move my
Yeah,
take
yeah, manager
profit.
trade, yeah.
Yeah. I wanna. No, I don't wanna take profit yet. I'm gonna put in the R1. Take profit. I want. Holy shit, brother.
Nom 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 nom.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, but yeah, I agree with you. And
That trend line break.
the white trend line is the 100% of the shoulder and the head, so that's what we'll be taking
Mhm.
profit at.
Yeah.
Sorry, Robbie, I had to.
So
Oh no, you're good, dude.
Oh, that's
that
an.
was my third try on that trend line break getting in. I was like, all right, it makes it or it doesn't. And it blew up and I was like, yeah, money. Like I
Uh,
got in the first one and it did that big green or red candle down. I was like, oh, you little bitch. And I got in one more time and it sipped me. And I was like, all right, third time's a charm. Let's go. I took profit at the 127 too, by the way.
yeah, I was going to, but you know how I am, right? I'm a
Oh
little
yeah,
I'm a little bitchy about those things. Let's see.
fucking that D leg you took down there at the very bottom, Lou. I was
Yeah.
gonna take that. I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. And then I had to answer the phone and I looked back and that whole wick had shot back up. I was like, you've got to be kidding me.
I took like you didn't there and went right through my take profit like pum took profit like shit.
Yeah.
So I entered again, on the same candle.
I did. I did too.
Yeah, it's like damn it, don't take me off. Give me time to move my take profit. So I entered
Yeah,
with
I
the
just had.
same thing.
I was just looking for a 10-point scalp, and it just rolled right through it. And I'm like, well,
Yeah.
let me do it again.
Yeah, mine was 40 points, and then I get in again,
Yeah,
and I'm on 100. I'm 97 points right now in this trade. I just posted
it's
the
nice,
good
nice, nice.
trades. Uh, on two accounts.
Now we need to be looking at this XABCD on the 3 minute, but we're at the 127 if anybody's following along there.
Am I allowed to call this a ABCD?
I mean,
Actually, this
this
one here, I was
is
calling
big.
as a W. That's what, because
Yeah,
from
yeah, yeah.
here, right?
Yeah.
So that
Yep.
was calling W. So
Yeah.
you three cannot bitch at me on my damn
The
thing.
brown people, God.
Yes, exactly. Leave the brown people
Oh my
alone.
gosh.
God dang. Now we are on another. Oh, this is a 120 minutes downtrend here too, guys. I cannot believe this trade. I'm like, what? Thinking about, guys, how
Yeah,
look at this shit. 137 points. I think I'm gonna start to get close. I'm gonna move my sip. I'm gonna follow the 3 minutes candle.
yeah. I mean, we're still bullish momentum on three
Oh
minute,
yeah,
but
very. And the 10 as well. But man, 104 points. I don't wanna give it up.
we just crossed over on the 15. Yeah, I wouldn't give it up. I'd scale some off, that's for sure.
Yeah, the issue now I just have a block of 10 and 10, so
Oh, okay.
I cannot scale it out. That's what sucks. But oh, a big order right there on the 18 maybe. Oh, I'm gonna get sipped. I don't know if I want to get sipped. I guess I will get sipped.
Put your stop in under the previous 3 minute candle, that little green one up here.
That's what I did. I'm on
Oh,
396.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, you
what?
got a little bit of a chance to stay in there.
Yeah, this may be the flag to break through this gap here.
Hmm.
But if take me and give me another chance, I'll re-enter. You know, because it would be the same. You know what I mean? It's the same trade.
Yep.
It's just not gonna look pretty for a little bit, but
We did not do a 127 to 100 retracement. We just blew
did
right
not.
through it.
Yeah, and that's why I took my 127 out of there.
Hmm.
That's why I took my take profit. My take profit was 127 from here, from the bottom. When I took this trade, my take profit was 127. But I wish I was like loyal on you guys and take it. But ooh, go, yum 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 yum. Go. It's 100
Yeah, there you
something.
go.
The day high of day. I'm even hungry now too. Oh, get out of the way. Good. It's gonna blow up. I'm even thinking about now take my R1 out of there too.
A trend line to draw in, that the wick of that D leg that you took, hit it, and then hit this little flag right here on the 3 minute, and that's our support there.
Yeah. 141 is here. The 141 we're being very strong with 141 lately, so hopefully we break through. 'It. 'Through. 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 ' But I cannot complain about the trade, even if I get sipped in this flag. I need to go pee, and I don't want it to bust through it and take me on the R1 if I don't want to, you know? Like, Jesus Christ.
I have to get you a bucket under your desk.
Yeah, right?
Bottle.
Uh,
Use a
a
bottle.
bottle, a cup.
You got some. You got some Ewlings around there. That tastes about the same, right?
Oh, jeez, no way. Don't talk bad about my angling.
Uh,
What? Ay, what to do? Take profit or not take profit? That's my question.
I think it wants at least that 150 for this harmonic. That's my last target is the 150.
Right there? 150 right
Yeah,
here?
we got within freaking 2 ticks of it, man.
Oh no,
But you know me, I'm gonna hold on.
yeah, I'm on 440. I'm all the way to R1, but I'm thinking about moving because I think this is gonna grind all the way up. I just did. I moved it, and I'm gonna move my sip up a little bit. I'm giving 20 points. Jesus, 20 points on this mini contract makes a big difference. 20 points is freaking a lot. God dang, though, I should have taken it at Euro 150.
got a big ass report I have to do today, and I really don't want to.
You said gas report?
Thinking all this. Yeah, a bit. No, I got a big ass report I have to do for work.
Ah,
Like a
big
real big.
ass report. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Just see the Lilu special?
Nope.
Today.
What is it?
98% off.
What?
The $25,000 3 contract is only $3 today.
Oh, wait, seriously?
Oh, for
Yeah,
real?
I'll post it for us. I'll post it.
Where'd you
Yeah.
get that? I didn't get an email.
Yeah, show me that.
Let's see. Hold on. Brian actually sent it to me,
I
and yeah, I went out and found it in other places.
I guess I'm gonna need to
You're
go
full of shit.
by 10, I guess, huh?
I'm about to post it in our Get Funded channel.
Hey, if you guys, yeah, that's not going. $3, man, for real?
Would I
They're
lie?
just trying to stick it to
Yeah, they are.
Utah a
Yes.
bit.
Oh yeah.
No, no,
Yeah,
no. They're trying to
seriously.
stick it to. They're trying
They're
to
just
stick it to
flexing.
Apex.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, Apex. That's
Apex.
awesome.
Yeah, Apex.
There you go.
What did you post at?
Oh, 20,000 subscriber. What's the code? Do we know?
I don't think there's a code required for this guy. Let me double check that though.
When is it? Because it's not right
Today,
now.
online.
How many can you buy?
Three max.
Up to 3, 25K.
Ah, that's bullshit. That's bullshit. I want to buy like 20 then. There you go
Oh, here
again,
we go.
Doyle. You're gonna make
Here
me
we go.
freaking do Lilu again. God damn it.
I'm about to post what you really need.
Oh, no way. Really? Do I really
Well,
need
no,
it?
I mean as far as like with the code and stuff like that.
Ah, okay. Like, I don't want to get funded.
Yeah. Save you guys the hassle of actually having to watch a YouTube video.
For real, you're not. Ah, okay, thank you.
2K celebrate. That's the,
Yep.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
is it,
2K
is it
celebrate.
one day? Yeah.
It's today?
Almost want to just spend $9 and Hail Mary it.
right?
Right.
Look
Why
for
not?
something I can just put 3 contracts on and hit the profit target.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Holy moly, for real, man. Let's see if I still have. I don't even know if I still have Lilu in my thing.
Holy shit, it works. Wow.
It
Minus
works.
320. Wait, that's 20.
That is funny.
Wow, it works. They really did it.
They really did it. Hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, it works. Holy
You buy
shit.
them in multiples, or do you have to buy one and then buy another one and buy another?
Yeah, you got to do one, do one, do one.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Got to do one, click the 4 check boxes. Do one, click the 4 check boxes.
Ugh.
You're
Three
gonna get corporal
dollars.
tunnel syndrome. Just
$3.17. Holy
you know what they're
shit.
banking on?
that's
Mm.
that's just
They're
the first
banking on
month,
you
right?
resetting. Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
They're banking on people Hail Marrying, blowing them all up.
Yeah, yep.
Yeah.
Exactly what we were just talking about.
Yeah. Put the dice in the cup and shake it up.
What pull the slot on the slot machine like real
Hmm.
time did yesterday.
Oh my gosh. Plus and minus 50 points.
Yeah.
What is
3.17.
that? Is that one a $1,500 profit target?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And
Just
trading
you
micros and one mini. I've got $1,400 per account.
just you guys freaking making me do this Lilu, but I can $3 I cannot pass this shit. I cannot say no to it. Right?
Right. Like my coffee
Hmm.
every morning more than that. So
Exactly.
Yeah. Just paid for like a bagel sandwich.
Did anybody try to do more than 3 to see if it works?
two.
I'm gonna try it just to see it. Oh no. Coupon user limit exceeded. Bitch. Why did you do that with me?
Freaking ruler comes through the computer screen and slaps your hand.
Yeah. That's how I felt. Like, oh shit, sorry, I didn't mean to. God dang, now I'm gonna need to go to the freaking enter. I don't even know if I had. Do I have Lilu thing still here? Configure. I have Lilu. Oh yeah, I do have Lilu here.
I feel like Dewey now. Fuck. All right, 27 accounts going.
Yeah, 27
Mhm.
Not
accounts
really.
going. Actually, it's not 27, it's 50 something, because 27 for him, 27 for Vicky.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this Lilu after we get out of the streaming, so I can get real quick.
Yeah, their thoughts are you'll either reset or you'll renew the next month.
Yeah.
I mean, there's really no risk for them except for getting more people.
Yeah. Uh,
You know, it's a really smart idea to do it today too, because they will all renew on the first, so they get all that influx of money the first day on their books.
oh, that is true.
Oh,
The
Yeah.
one thing that I don't like about Lilu now is the time that they give you to take your money out, you know? You need to wait that
Oh,
45
yeah, you got to hold.
days and you profit, you're gonna be able to do more than two accounts now, Zach saying. That's cool. Yeah, that's a good point, Jeff. Just remember, guys, you need to use this, and next month go to uh, regular thing. Okay, so
Yeah, I mean, and if it doesn't look like you're going to make it by the end of the 30 days, you can just cancel it.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
there's a fight happening right here, guys.
What?
The, y'all aren't watching this candle behavior.
Yeah, up and down, up and down. Yeah. Oh,
Fast.
he's gonna sip me. What time is it? It's 11:30. I just got sipped. God dang it. What's going on? Okay, let's try to do this Hail Mary here with three Lilus. See what happens. What happened was Lilu. Let's see if they check your account connection parameter, your internet connection. Logon fell. Hmm. Lilu. I cannot believe I'm gonna need to just see you guys to make me do this shit again. I know what that was. Citibank does not charge overdraft anymore, so probably the bank's like, womp womp womp. Oh, what is Reminick? Reminick. Um, tag on it. Oh, my. Why my Lilu is not allowing me to get in on my ninja? Oh, okay, just did. All right, cool. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm skeptical with you guys now. All right. Lilu. One, two, three. I was going to enter here. It's like, oh shit, I cannot enter here because I'm on. You guys would be seeing this shit. I cannot do that.
Show us scalping techniques.
Show you
All the
guys what
scalping class.
techniques. Yeah. The thing is, right now the 3 minutes is crossing down. Uh, 10 minutes is up, and the 30 seconds is up. And look, the dome is crazy. Ooh, forgot I was scalping. I was letting go. Should have put in there. Out. Yeah, I don't like it. I lost my touch, Doyle, of scalping.
Things you don't use, you lose.
Yeah.
There's a B point.
You see, I should have taken that 10 points there. I'm my headset now is to get long positions, long meaning, like 50, 100 or whatever points. I'm gonna take profit. Ay, damn it.
This could be setting the shoulders for an setting shoulder.
Hmm.
Or we could just keep on moving.
I hope to God you guys are not trying to do what I'm doing it.
Unless it's on a $3 account.
even there,
Yeah.
because I'm changing things and I'm positive right now. Uh, but can be a bad deal. That's weird. Just heard thunder here. It's not time for thunder. I forgot how fun it is to scalp. I'm just reading the candles. Sugar, don't pay attention this trade. Actually, I'm gonna stop doing here because I don't want you guys to get bad habits. Markets a lot of volatility today, huh?
Does.
3 minutes is down, 10 minutes is crossing over to the downside. We are at view app and appears to be a flag. What do y'all think?
My 30 seconds or my 20 seconds showing a little divergence. It could be a down flag, a bear flag. Is that what you mean?
Bear flag,
For
yes.
giving a little bit more push down.
Yep.
It could be. It might not be ready to bounce up yet.
Yeah, because the three
I've got
minutes
my
is
finger on
straight
my
down.
kill switch.
Are you long?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was trying to grab this bounce.
Yeah.
So I've got my finger on the kill switch
I
of it.
like it. I like the bounce on the 30 seconds, but the 3 minutes is not showing anything. The 10 minutes just crossing over to the downside, but worked. I was a little afraid to get it.
I'm not going to let it sit me out just yet.
Yeah, I took the down tick.
Yeah, you took the down tick buy to get in it?
Yeah, I'm 8 points up. Took one off.
Nice.
Probably gonna be get sipped here, I'm assuming. But let's see. Maybe not. I'm falling on the 3 minutes candle because I'm not too fan of. Ooh, we're gonna get sipped. Cup. Yep, I got sipped. Are you still in it?
Yeah. I've re-entered on a pullback. Smaller though. But yeah.
Yeah. If you break this trend here, I might re-enter. The 3 minutes starting to. Yeah. Yep. Been so busy that I forgot to eat, man. Roku 52. Uh, week low.
Really?
Yeah, just gotta.
Yeah, Roku's been getting killed the last couple of months. Down 55% from its high on the daily.
I'm gonna get sipped here again. Oh, maybe not. Yep, got sipped. Uh, Alright, guys from the YouTube. I hope you enjoyed the day. If you do, please like us. Put a thumbs up there. And talk to you guys tomorrow.
Lunchtime.